By the time this is over, she's not gonna be crying no more. She'll be fine, I promise you. I promise you, y'all, she's not gonna die. That felt good. I'm about to start warming up with the hurdle group.
What?
They don't look nothing alike.
Exactly. So what was she just like Matthew? Like, girl, what?
She don't know. She be saying people look like people and they don't look like people.
And know each other, like,
Bro. Yes. How you know?
the green thing.
I think that's a sticker.
No, it's not. It's on. There's no sticker. Are you okay?
Is it a green light?
Yes. Are you okay?
Hey, tell them.
I'm fine.
Yo.
I don't hear nothing.
Exactly.
Why is there nothing playing?
There is something playing.
So I can't hear it. It's so quiet.
Exactly.
You had to think.
I'll be yap. Yo, I put the mic in your headphones, bro.
Tight. Type of wheel. But just.
Space in the field.
Oh my God.
I think Gunner really faster. Gunner's faster than Cam.
This try.
There's people in the track, coach.
Get up.
Yo! Yo! Sit. Go.
So if they clear it in their first height, then they're pretty much good to go into the next.
Yes.
So if they don't, then they keep 3-4.
Yep, 3-4. You can scissor if you want.
Okay. All right. All right. Next height.
You do gotta find some. How'd that feel? You feel like you jump higher today?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a PR, man. We ain't PR'd in a while. You got an umbrella? Here you go. Sit down. I'll put them under this. Sit down. Hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, she gotta go back, bro.
I mean, Coach Travis, that was the wrong
9, 10.
Yeah.
Girls shot
So
put.
go back to where you at? 68. Go back 70.
Girls shot put. This
Where you
is
at
your
now?
first call.
69.
69. Go 71. Because you're on 6 steps, so go 74.
Which line do we stop at?
Come on, you're gonna be the last one. You gotta get ready, girl. Okay, we're waiting for.
Did they already call 9 and 10 stop playing javelin?
Not yet.
Good, that's good. I know my.
But hey, y'all gotta focus, okay? Y'all can't be just walking around, goofing around, iPadding in your own world.
I what?
Hold up.
I already know you're targeting me with my iPad. What day?
Wait for Brooklyn. Hey, Mark.
Final, actually. 7 and 8-year-old boys.
Behind the white line.
100-meter dash. Get the check-in.
Sit. Okay, come on, bring your back down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit more. On your mark. Sit. Go. All right, stop.
Get out! Get out, run! Let's go, Cameron! Move, run! Move, run! Fight! Let's get loose, Kay!
You cut the first part off.
Cause I guess that would have hurt like one.
That would have been a brand new one, bro. 13 and 14-year-old girls division.
Get out, Kaylin! Move, Kay! Fight, Kaylin! Fight, Kaylin, all the way! All the way, Kaylin! All the way! All the way!
All right. Aaron to Josh. Run that real quick. All right. Hey, that was a good exchange for y'all too.
I'm not lying.
Can I get us some shade?
I'm not lying.
You know what you like?
11:56.
Good run.
3,000 meters.
My tape keep falling off. Okay.
I'm talking to both of y'all. Pete, okay. Pete, hold on. Recap of my track meet, all right? 16 of the 200 hurdles I placed, 100 hurdles I placed. Even after I tripped, I still got second. And 112.9.
Are you very excited about that?
Yes, I'm ready to get this over.
I'm just talking to her.
No, I'm ready to get this for about one over.
I'll be alright in my 100.
Like,
I got it. 12-4.
I'm trying to go.
get some Wingstop after this.
I'm getting. That's okay.
I went one thing.
Oh my God, period ain't do sound good. What we, for real? We trying to figure out what we gonna eat after the meet.
Yeah, I don't know. My head was hurting.